Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the ASI. This is their part number HL-202. What this is a key only for the coin box used in their vending type products. Products that take coin, napkin, tampon dispensers, namely. They'll have a key in the outside door to get the door open. Then there'll be another lock and a different key, a separate key to the coin box, and this is the key to that coin box. And this video is just to demonstrate the fact that it is a different key, show you what it looks like, etc. Okay. So if you're servicing the coin in those units, you'll need two keys. You'll need the standard key and the HL202 key as well. Okay. Not much to say. There are some images listed down below of this key as well, and is the vendor coin box key for ASI vendors. There's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the ASI products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Any questions on the ASI HL-202 coin box key or any other ASI product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.